अबे झुंझुनू कौन जाता है भाई यार?
झुंझुनू में देखने लायक क्या है?
What is Jhunjhunu?
So long story short, that's why. तो चलिए चलते हैं.
It is fascinating. It is colorful. It is even slightly bizarre. Welcome to Shekhawati. As Google says, the largest open-air art gallery in the world. तो भैया जयपुर में कुछ दिन खा पी के और थोड़ा बहुत घूम के हम निकले झुंझुनू एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. जिनको भी पता है झुंझुनू जाने का प्लान, उनका रिएक्शन कुछ ऐसा था.
अबे झुंझुनू कौन जाता है भाई यार?
झुंझुनू में देखने लायक क्या है?
What is Jhunjhunu?
So the big question was, why झुंझुनू? तो इसके लिए थोड़ा रिकैप में चलते हैं. 2020 के लॉकडाउन में Amazon से ग्रोसरी ऑर्डर करने के टाइम I bumped into this interesting cover by Ile Cooper, The Painted Towns of Shekhawati. Amazon को बोल दिया, भैया लेके आ गए और इसको ऑर्डर करके मैंने कोई गलती नहीं किया. तो हुआ यूं, 1971 में अपना कूपर भाई जा रहे थे फिरोजपुर जब ही मेट सुरेश बंसल. एंड एज इट यूजुअली हैपन्स इन इंडिया, कैजुअली कूपर भाई को इनवाइट कर दिया होगा. भाई ने इनविटेशन सीरियसली ले लिया और वापस आ गए इंडिया. 100 रुपया का सेकेंड हैंड हीरो साइकिल खरीद के भाई एक्सप्लोर करने निकल पड़े राजस्थान. एंड दैट्स व्हेन ही केम अक्रॉस दिस इनॉर्मस हवेलीज which spoke of great wealth, covered with splendid paintings. Cooper was intrigued by the Havelis, and when he searched for the history, he didn't find anything. Worse, no one seemed to be aware of their existence outside the region. तो भाई ने काफ़ी रिसर्च के बाद एक बुक लिख डाली, about which our own Indian history didn't even care about.
So long story short, that's why. तो चलिए चलते हैं.
Good morning everyone and Merry Christmas. So today is 25th December 2020, final few days for the new year to kick in, and today we started our journey towards Bikaner. So just to give you a quick brief history, sorry, I just wear my seatbelt when I started. This is something which we don't do. On the way from Jaipur, we stopped at a place called Ringas. It's a small village town, Ringas, where we stopped at a roadside restaurant, which has done a very good publicity. The tagline says that, tell it.
शंकार का खाना
भूल ना
भूल ना
जाना.
जाना.
झंकार का खाना भूल ना जाना. So if you are passing through this road, I think this is NH52. So yeah, NH52. If you are passing through NH52 on the way to Bikaner, from Jaipur to Bikaner, you can make a stop over at Jhankar. And as they say, Jhankar ka khana bhul na jana. It is really worth it. So we had some nice dal kachoris and some sandwiches, and the tea was awesome.
And today in Shankar, I had my first sip of tea.
Oh yes,
Yes.
Juljul had his first sip of tea at Jhankar.
Because it was freezing cold and
Right.
I allowed it.
So having said that, we are heading towards Nawalgarh, and followed by that we have plans to visit Mandawa. This is a place which is where the business community of India started from. So this is called the Shekhawati region, the Jhunjhunu and the Churu districts. They had built beautiful Havelis, and it is known as
The golden city of Rajasthan.
yeah. So Nawalgarh is also called the golden city of Rajasthan, owing to the fact that the entire trade and the business developed from here. Stay tuned with us. We'll try to capture as much as possible, saving the battery for that.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas once again, Jojo. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Thanks.
this avenue can look 750 fresco जो 11,200 स्क्वायर मीटर में बनी हुई है पेंटिंग।